Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video I am going to show you two most interesting ways to enter BIOS without having to smash those annoying gigs at startup. First step is to just open up command prompt if you have a Windows PC, because those steps only work on Windows. Just run it as administrator and say yes to the prompt and enter this command line. This command line helps you to enter into BIOS without having to press any key. Just hit enter and your laptop will restart, and upon startup it will boot into BIOS without having to smash any keys at all. Okay, my laptop is now booting up and you will see now this will boot directly into BIOS, and I am not pressing any keys and it is now in BIOS. Now you can turn on your visualization, change some settings, or even turn on the TPM, whatever you want to do. Now let me show you the other way. Okay, so this way is very simple. In this we are going to create a shortcut and just type in that command, hit next and type in the name. I am going to give it the BIOS name and hit finish. Now I'm gonna change its properties and make sure it runs as administrator every time. So in the shortcut section, go to advanced and check the run as administrator button. Okay, hit apply and okay. So this shortcut will stay on your desktop, and anytime you open it up it will automatically reboot your system into BIOS, so you don't have to type in the command again and again. This will stay there as long as you have your desktop, and it will automatically boot into BIOS without having you to worry about anything at all. In my opinion, the second way is better because that shortcut lives on your desktop forever, and even if you forget the command, you won't have to worry about it. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.